How to achieve soft, plump, and beautiful lips. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something super exciting and informative for all you teens out there. We're diving into the world of lip care, a complete guide on how to keep your pout looking fabulous and healthy. Trust me, your lips will be thanking you after this video. Let's start by talking about why lip care is so important. Lip care refers to the practices and habits aimed at maintaining the health, hydration, and appearance of the lips. It involves a combination of moisturizing, protecting, and nourishing the delicate skin on the lips. Our lips don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin, and they are more prone to dryness and damage. Lip care is essential not only for the comfort and aesthetics of the lips, but also for overall oral health. Neglecting them can lead to chapped lips, cracking, and even infections. But worry not, because I am here to share a lip care guide with you. Let's start. Exfoliating. The first step to achieving plump lips is exfoliation. Exfoliating the lips helps remove dead skin cells and promotes a smoother texture. By gently removing dead skin cells, you create the perfect canvas for your lip products. Gentle exfoliation can be achieved by using a lip scrub or a soft toothbrush in circular motions to slough off the dead skin. You can also make your own lip scrub at home using ingredients like sugar and honey, or you can find some amazing ones in the market. This process enhances the effectiveness of lip moisturizers and allows for better absorption of beneficial ingredients. Remember, gentle exfoliation is the key. Moisturizing. Moisturizing the lips is a fundamental aspect of lip care. Again, our lips lack oil glands, making them prone to dryness and dehydration. Regularly applying a lip balm or moisturizer helps to replenish moisture, seal in hydration, and prevent moisture loss. Look for lip balms that contain natural ingredients like beeswax, shea butter, or coconut oil, as they provide nourishment and protection to the lips. Sun protection. We all know the importance of protecting our skin from the sun, but did you know that our lips need sunscreen too? Protection from the sun is another crucial aspect of lip care. Sun exposure can cause damage, pigmentation, and premature aging of the lips. Lips are particularly susceptible to sunburn and sun damage due to their thin skin and limited melanin production. Using a lip balm with a sufficient sun protection factor, SPF, shields the lips from harmful UV rays. It is important to reapply the lip balm regularly, especially when spending time outdoors or during prolonged sun exposure. Hydration. Hydration is crucial to maintain plump, healthy-looking lips. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Nighttime lip care. Just like our skin, our lips need some extra love at night. Before hitting the hay, make sure to remove any lipstick or lip product using a gentle makeup remover or a cleansing balm. Once your lips are clean, apply a nourishing overnight lip mask or even a thin layer of coconut oil. This will help repair and rejuvenate your lips while you sleep, leaving them soft and supple in the morning. Habits to avoid. Avoid licking your lips. Licking the lips may provide temporary relief, but can lead to further dryness and irritation due to evaporation of saliva. Avoid biting or picking your lips. It can cause damage, bleeding, and delay the healing process. If you have a habit of lip biting, try to identify the triggers and find alternative ways to manage stress or anxiety. Avoid harsh products. Be mindful of lip products that contain harsh or irritating ingredients like menthol, camphor, or fragrances, as it can lead to dryness, irritation, or allergic reactions. Avoid sharing your lip products. Avoiding to share your lip products such as lip balm, lipstick, or lip gloss with others prevent the spread of bacteria or infections. Lastly, avoid smoking. Smoking can have detrimental effects on your lips and skin. It can lead to discoloration, dryness, wrinkles, and even lip cancer. Remember, taking care of your lips is just as important as the rest of your skincare routine. By following these simple steps, you'll have a healthy lips that's ready for any occasion. So embrace your beautiful lips, take care of them, and let them shine.